Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering a DirectX error, then watch this video for the solutions. The first thing we need to do is run the DirectX diagnostic tool. So for that, we'll press the Windows and the R key together to open the run dialog, and then we will use the text DXDIAG and we'll press enter. Now DirectX diagnostic tool will start. And do you want to check if your drivers are digitally signed? You might want to connect to the internet. So if you're connected, check if you're connected to the internet and then click yes. And this will run the DirectX diagnostic tool. As you can see, it's working here in the background. And we will let that run. All right. We can click on next page. No problems were found. Great. But if problems are found, then DirectX diagnostic tool should repair it. Now the next thing we can do is to also run the Windows update. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, click on Windows update, click on update all, and if update all is available, then install all. And then while that's going on, go to advanced options, click on optional updates, and update and install any driver updates that are available here. The next thing we can do is we can update the graphic card. So go to device manager and then open the display adapters. Here's your graphics card. Right click on it and click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. And the last thing we can do is the SFC scan. So go to command prompt, right click on it, click on run as administrator, yes, and enter the command SFC space slash SCANNOW and press enter. Wait for the scan to run. Once the scan is finished, then click on the start button, click on the power button and click on restart. And this DirectX error should no longer appear. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.